guys, this is Deepika. Welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? Today I'm going to talk about complete mental fitness. Before going into the topic, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now, going into the topic, complete mental fitness. We are right? Any guesses, guys? I'll tell you what. In this hectic world, each and everyone is facing a lot of stress in their life and ending up in a restless lifestyle with unstable mind. Why do we get that unstable mind? Is there any solution for it? Of course there is a solution. But before going into that, shall we take a test now? Mental fitness score. Shall we take that? Okay. Now, just find yourself a room. Keep yourself locked. If it is possible, just switch off your lights. Okay. Now sit peacefully. Now close your eyes and just imagine whatever I am saying now. Okay. You are in a very dark room, pitch dark room. Okay. And suddenly at the center there is a spotlight. You are under that spotlight, holding an orange in your palm. Okay. Now feel the weight of that orange right through your imagination. And now peel the skin. Peel it. Take a pulp from it and taste it. Just feel the taste of that citrus fruit in your mouth right through your imagination. Just feel the taste. And now eat it fully. And now open your eyes. Just open. How many of you felt like you couldn't follow me? How many of you felt like that? Of course, most of you. This is a condition. This is what we have to deal with. But this is not at all your fault. Okay? Because the moment I said orange, your previous memories regarding orange will get recollected and just popped in your imagination, which will make you to get diverted from the main topic. This is what usually happens. Okay? This is the condition we have to deal now. How can we get rid of that? How can we focus on something without any diversion or distraction? I'll tell you. But listen carefully. I am not a physician. I am not a psychologist. I am just sharing my experience which I read from a book called Complete Mental Fitness book wrote by Tom Ujic. Okay. Now going into the topic deeply. In order to get mentally fit, you need to focus on 4 things. You should get qualified in these 4 things. Okay, what are all they? Mental strength, mental flexibility, mental endurance, and mental coordination. Before that, there are mental muscles working on for each kind of thinking while you are engaged. This is what usually happens. In your brain there are certain muscles working for certain purposes. Okay, and they have classified this as logical thinking, metamorphical thinking, analytical thinking, verbal thinking, critical thinking, and visual thinking. Okay, for these kind of thinkings, certain muscles are getting worked on it on daily basis, but it is in our hand that how well and how good we are using it. For example, take a layman. Okay, he's doing the same job, having the same sort of thinking day by day. So a certain muscle in his brain is working continuously, but the other muscles are getting dull and bored day by day. Okay, this is what happens. This it applicable to everyone. It will applicable to everyone. Okay. Now, mental strength. What is mental strength? There is a task you need to focus on it because you need to give your 100% attention to it. Okay. How good you are in focusing a certain task without any distraction is called mental strength. Okay. Now mental flexibility. This is the capacity of your brain to switch from one mode of thought to another. What? Just now you said like focusing on one task without any distraction is called the mental strength, and now you are telling that switching from one mode of thought to another. What is this? I'll tell you and I'll explain it, okay? See, if you want to present something in a very creative and innovative way, you should get hundreds of ideas. You should go into new direction so that you can present it in a very good, full-fledged manner, okay? For that, hundreds of ideas should flow in your mind regarding one particular thing, okay? So I'm not telling you that if you're working on a mathematical project, I'm not telling you that just focus, just think about how good we spent our time last weekend. I'm not telling in that way. If you're focusing on a particular project, you should think in 4 or 5 different ways so that you can present it in a very good manner. Okay, this is the mental flexibility. And next, mental endurance is that how good you are in putting your imagination into an action. Okay, some people will have good thinking capacity. They'll have a good calculation in their mind to do such things in a very good manner, but they would fail while presenting it in an action. Okay, this is that mental endurance. This is where they are lagging. Okay, so how good you are in putting your imagination into an action. This is the mental endurance. And finally, mental coordination. The name itself suggests you the full meaning. Coordinating everything, just clubbing it together and presenting it in one single form in a very good manner. For that, you need good timing and balancing the moment so that you can take right decision at right time. That is the mental coordination. This is the 4 basic qualities you need to focus on so that you could get mentally fit. Okay, there are so many exercises, guys. All are imagine. What I can say. All are just training your brain muscles right through your imagination. How good you are in imagining one thing without any distraction. This is the exercise. Okay, but you should do on a daily basis for better result. At least try this right before your bed once or twice so that you can feel better results. You can feel the difference. Okay, if I tell all those exercises in one session, it will consume a lot of time, so I don't want to waste your time. I just want to finish this session right here. So I have planned to split this session into 11 videos so that you can understand it clearly and do it better. Okay, just post me the comments after doing all those exercises and tell me how you felt. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Be good, do good.